Level 1A count. Uptown Swing.
We did swing outs. Y'all did so well.
So well.
Big improvement tonight. So leaders, one thing we really want you to do was make sure you send your partner with your body and then get back this way. Let them pull your arm. You're trying to resist that. You're not sticking it out at them. If you got a little get ready feeling, you're like, hey, we got to build up. It's okay to have that tension. That's good. And when you rock step, that's your lead. You don't have to do a big yank.
Followers, remember, if they're bringing you in, if you feel something, you might not get to do a rock step. That's okay.
So when we do it, boom.
Swing out from closed.
There's some feeling here.
Circle from open.
We worked on a bunch of solo stuff. I worked on leaders getting this swing out feeling. Ha, 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 ha. Hey, remember, once I get my right side behind me, I keep it behind me on the rock step. 5, 6 is behind. Hey. And then we did a circle too, which is not linear. It comes around more and more in place. Smaller. The whole thing on the circle is smaller. Turn, turn, triple step with that same ending.
Leaders practice that at home. Followers, we practice going one direction at a time while facing different ways. So we went forward, which was easy peasy. And then we backed it up. Boom, boom, ba-ba-da. Some of you asked, wait, what's the footwork? And I said, the footwork is the same. The direction is the same, but it's going to feel a little different. We're facing a different way. Then we took this in front. And then we faced the other way and just crisscrossed, and it was all weird. And we just got used to flowing one way while doing our footwork. Footwork stays the same. And then we
they were so good.
Wandered the room, and we said, followers, you're taking a different class than the leaders. You're not going to be trying to get the move done. You're going to be trying to do one direction at a time till they convince you otherwise.
So we had the leaders try and do their solo stuff, swing out or circle. Let's do a bunch of swing outs open to open. And followers, you do your solo stuff, and we see how they intersect. Starting from here. I do my shape.
I'm trying to go one direction.
I do my shape again. Hey, I'm not afraid of getting some pull there. That's okay.
And that was it.
Hey!